welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing some flowers that I got from Proven Winners. I ordered these online and they shipped them to my door. This video is not sponsored. This is my first time ordering from them, so I want to see how the plants are gonna look, if they're looking good and everything like that. So we're gonna do the unboxing of these plants and we'll pot them up together. So let's get right into it. Yeah, I was saying, if you hear the ice cream truck, it's like 5 in the afternoon. I'm trying to do this video quickly, so I just wanted to unbox this with you guys and go over why I ordered these plants. So if you haven't seen my video that I just recently posted about me planting up those hanging baskets with the petunias, I want some new flowers. Long story short, the hanging baskets are great, everything is great. It is actually the petunias. I did some research and I found that the petunias that you can get from the big box stores, they're like an older seed variety. So they're not like this hybrid variety. You know, those were just like the Home Depot brand. And I did some research and they said that those brands are great, but sometimes they start to die off and they don't give off a lot of blooms, and that's what I was expecting. I thought it was all petunias, but it's a certain type. So they don't give off a lot of blooms. And then the ones from the big box stores, they're very delicate. I did find that if they were in the sun too long, they would, you know, shrivel up, or if they got wet, they would just kind of flop over and just die. And I was just like, I don't remember petunias being this like sensitive and delicate. But what I learned was the petunias that I've been seeing are SUPERTUNIA Vista. And Vista is like a vigorous variety. It grows really well. It's really strong. And it's a great producer. So the only place that I could find these flowers was on Proven Winners, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So we have 1 carton of SUPERTUNIAs. This is how they're looking. Okay. We got some dead blooms, but maybe that's just this one. We'll see. They have been in shipment, so I'm not gonna, you know, complain. I'm sure they will spring back to life. So this one is, I believe, the SUPERTUNIA Bubblegum. And this is like a tried and true for a lot of people, so I really wanted to try it. And hopefully it does well. This is, what is this? This is the SUPERTUNIA Vista Jazzberry. So that one, the blooms on this one are a lot prettier than the first one. So that makes me happy. So I actually got 2 of the bubblegum and I got 2 of the jazzberry. It's a SUPERTUNIA Picasso. So I got 1 of the Picasso. This one is like it's like pink and green. It's really pretty on the website. You know, I personally would recommend that if you have a Proven Winners store near you, I would go in store and purchase them. But if you don't really have a choice but to purchase online. I looked around and none of my stores carried Proven Winners products. They were saying that you had to order them online. So I was just like, I'm just gonna order them off the Proven Winners website if I'm gonna order them online. Okay, so that was the packaging. Everything was packaged really nice. Nothing was too crazy or anything like that. I also heard that the wave, I believe it's like the wave variety, is also good. So I might try that one maybe later in the season. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pot these up. So this part of the video, I'm not going to go into too much detail because I've already made a video on how I plant petunias in the growing baskets, in the hanging baskets. I've already did that video, so if you want to see how to prepare your basket, go back and watch that video. I'll have it linked here somewhere so you can go and see that. But I'm just going to quickly pull these other petunias out. I'm still going to use them. I'm just going to use them in one of my little stackable tiers, and I'll do a video over that coming soon. So I'm not going to throw them out. I'm still going to use them, still going to see if they produce any more, but we're just going to trade them out for the proven winners. Let's do it. So here are the hanging baskets that I previously planted. And funny story, I actually, when I was hanging these the day of the video, I dropped this whole basket from the ceiling, and you can see one of them died immediately. And then the others just aren't doing very well. This is the other hanging basket. They're just very delicate. I mean, this one was doing well, but I just want to see how proven winners will do. They're just very delicate. You could just pull off all the leaves. So we're gonna see the difference. And I'll let you guys know how I actually feel about either one. Updated on, you know, if these are worth the money or if you can just continue on and get your, you know, big box store petunias. So I'm hoping that these will be prolific. We will see within the next month or two. Stay tuned for the update. All right, you guys. Well, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.